Hi, and welcome back. In this lesson, we'll show you how to add text in formulas. It's an important trick that will be very helpful a bit later in the course. Whenever you start creating a function, and you add this type of quotation mark to it, Excel knows that what is included within the quotation marks should be read as text. For example, I'll type equal, and then within quotation marks, revenue. Let's press Enter and see what happens. Excel displays revenue as text. Perfect. If that's clear, let's try something a bit different now. I'll add a blank space in front of revenue within the function. And as you see, this has affected our output. The text revenue starts one character space to the right, and we have a blank space in front of it. This means that blank spaces are important, especially in certain situations. Okay, great. Let's provide another useful example. In these two columns, we have data that should be united. We have a country's name and its capital. Let's put them together. I can do that in the following way. Cell A5 and cell B5. Press Enter. And here's the output we obtained. Doesn't look very good, does it? Most definitely not. So to separate them, I'll add a third argument, united to both cells with another ampersand function. It will only contain a comma with inverted brackets. Okay, very well. Let's press Enter. Now the situation has improved a little. There is some separation between a country's name and its capital. But we need to add a blank space in front of the capital city to make this a bit better. I'll add a third ampersand sign, and we'll simply include a blank space within brackets. This creates my blank space in front of each capital city. I believe this is what we were after. So this is how we work with text in Excel. A bit later in the course, you will learn why this is very useful when creating dynamic functions. But you don't have to worry about that now. You are making excellent progress already, so enjoy that.